Here we go with your December real estate market update for North San Diego County coastal market. It's basically Del Mar to Oceanside along the coast here in San Diego. Let's get into it. So what's happening right now? What's going on in the economy? I saw Black Friday sales hit the highest number they've ever hit online, which is kind of incredible. We hear talk about a recession, and we also see the stock market up significantly from early October. And mortgage rates were up over 7.5%, and they're now down to 6.25% range right now for conforming, and about 5.75% range for jumbo loans. So those things are improving. Hopefully they'll continue to improve. But here's a quote I saw from Gibson Smith with Smith Capital Investors. He says the yield curve is confirming a growing consensus view that the economy is in trouble and the Fed is about to blow it. According to him, the U.S. Treasury yield curve recently inverted to a point that we haven't seen since the early 1980s, which is signaling a recession is on the way. So will the Fed focus on real-time data or on data from weeks and months ago? I think we'll see. Only time will tell. What's an inverted yield curve? Well, basically it means that longer-term debt is less expensive, lower interest rate on that than it is on shorter-term debt, which only makes sense if rates are going to go down in the future. 75 detached homes closed in coastal North County in November at a median price of $1,345,000, and that's took 38 days on average to sell. In 2021, we had 122 homes closed in the same time frame, and the median price was $1,625. It was a pretty strong November last year. One of the signs, that's one of the signs that we see a weakening market. When we look at 2022 as a whole, so far this year, 1,711,500 is the median price versus last year's 1,600,000. Anyway, last November, homes were selling at 102%, and now they're selling about 96.4% of asking. Our attached market for coastal North County, the November median price was $785,000, which was exactly what it was last November. The big difference, though, kind of an interesting twist, is the asking price this November was $857,000 versus last year in November the asking price was $754,450, which got boosted up 4% to $785,000. And it's taken about 10 days longer to sell this year, putting the average market time this year right now at 31 days versus 21 last year. So that's what's going on in the North San Diego County coastal home market, attached and detached. One thing to note is inventory levels right now are pretty darn low because of the holidays, but overall they still haven't gotten that high during this housing, whatever you want to call it, adjustment, deceleration. Some people call it a crash, a bust, but really it's prices are coming down, but there's still not that much inventory out there. To find out what this might mean for you and your home individually, because every home's unique and neighborhoods are experiencing the market differently, just be happy to talk to you, DM, text, call, whatever works best for you. We're here to help. Glad to talk to you about real estate. That's what we do. And lastly, I hope you have a great holiday season and a wonderful new year. And I'll be back to you with an update next year. Take care.